voice of sorrow, searching for mercy in the dark. My soul is tired and empty until you revived my heart. You stepped into my weakness, covered me with endless grace. Now every chain is shattered by the power of your name. You lifted me, you rescued me. Your light broke through the night in me. I'm alive in Christ, my soul has been revived. The cross has spoken over me, and now I testify. Your spirit lives in me, your fire burns inside. I am no longer who I was, I'm alive in Christ. You turned ashes into beauty, turned my pain into a song. What the enemy meant for evil, your love made strong. Now my feet stand on the promise, and my eyes have seen your grace. I was drowning in the silence till you called me by my name. You carried me, you healed my heart. You filled the emptiness in me. I'm alive in Christ, my soul has been revived. The cross has spoken over me, and now I testify. Your spirit lives in me, your fire burns inside. I am no longer who I was, I'm alive in Christ. Breath of heaven, fall on me, set my heart on fire again. King of glory, live through me. Let the world see you in me. I was blind, but now I see. I was weak, but now I believe. Your resurrection power is alive in me. is secure. Your mercy keeps on covering me. Your love forever pure. Every breath I breathe, every song I sing will glorify the risen King. I'm alive in Christ. I'm alive in Christ. Forever Jesus reign in me. You gave me life, you gave me hope, you made my heart your home, and I will worship you forever. Jesus,